Right now, these fruit travel videos are going insanely viral on TikTok and Instagram. You have probably seen them. Accounts are popping up featuring consistent characters like a traveling banana or a pineapple exploring different cities and narrating funny, amusing vlogs. It sounds bizarre, but with just a handful of videos, these creators are pulling in massive numbers. One account I tracked has already amassed nearly 150K followers, and they are regularly hitting 1 to 3 million views per video. Creating this kind of high-retention cinematic content usually requires a massive stack of expensive tools and hours of manual timeline editing. But today, I'm going to show you how to easily recreate this exact viral aesthetic using just one platform, from the initial idea all the way to the final cut. The platform we are using for this is called Flova AI, and it is incredibly impressive. Flova is not just a standard generation tool, it is an all-in-one video creation platform that acts as your personal conversational agent and creative team. When you log in, you get a clean interface with your main prompt box right in the middle. Click this Models button and you can see their massive model list. Instead of paying for 5 different subscriptions, Flova integrates the world's top-tier generation models directly into one workspace. It features GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, Midjourney, etc. for images, latest Seedance 2.0, Happy Horse, Kling 3, and many more for video, Suno and Marika for top-tier music generation, and 11 Labs Minimax for voiceovers. You simply give the agent a prompt and it decides which of these elite models to pull from to get the best result. Because it integrates all these mainstream models, you have total freedom to adapt to any fast-changing viral trend without ever leaving the site. The secret weapon here is the skills section. A skill is basically a set of standard operating procedures that forces the AI to follow strict instructions without hallucinating. To recreate this fruit travel trend, we are going to select the reference to video remix skill. I downloaded one of those viral banana videos from TikTok, and we are going to upload it straight into the Flova prompt box. This does not mean we are copying the video exactly. We're just feeding the AI the core concept. I'm giving it this prompt. This is a video about Iceland, and the main character is a banana. I need a similar video about London, UK, but the main character should be a watermelon. When I click Generate, the agent immediately starts brainstorming with me and runs a comprehensive multimodal analysis on the reference video. It analyzes the audio, the visual style, the script, and the pacing frame by frame to figure out exactly why this specific piece of content is going viral. Once it understands the viral mechanics, it generates a complete scene-by-scene storyboard for our London Watermelon remix. Looking at the left side of the screen, you can see the detailed storyboard it built. This is where Flova gives you a totally flexible, controllable workflow. It breaks everything down scene by scene. You can manually edit the text of any specific shot, drag and drop your own reference assets into the panels, and customize the interface layout exactly how you want it. If you don't like a shot, you just drop a comment in the chat box to modify that specific scene. With the storyboard locked, it's time to generate the media. I clicked Generate Watermelon Character Reference, and it instantly created a perfectly consistent character sheet showing the front, side, and back poses of our 3D watermelon. And for scenes, the agent initially generated photorealistic background images. I wanted a stylized look, so I went to the main prompt box and typed, "We need 3D animation style, not photorealistic." It instantly updated every single panel in the storyboard to a beautiful 3D Pixar style. Of course, if you don't want to micromanage the details, you can just let Flova automate this entire process while you step away and grab a coffee. From there, I told the agent to generate the animated video clips for all 8 of our shots. The AI started working through the list, rendering out high-quality 3D animations for the double-decker bus scene, the London pub scene, and everything else on the board. If any clip looks slightly off, you just select it and hit the Regenerate button, or leave a quick comment telling the agent exactly what needs fixing. But Flova doesn't just stop at rendering video clips. While the video was processing, the agent also generated 2 different background music track options and a complete narrator voiceover track based on the storyboard. I told the agent, assemble the final timeline with music option 2. Immediately, a full timeline appeared. The video clips were perfectly sequenced on top, the blue voiceover tracks were aligned exactly to the right shots, and the green background music track was layered underneath. Even in the timeline, editing is incredibly simple. I noticed the audio mix was a bit off, so instead of manually adjusting audio curves, I just typed, "The background music is too loud." The agent instantly lowered the music volume so the voiceover could punch through. I told it to do the final assembly, and it rendered everything out. Let's look at the final export.
Welcome to London. Rule 1.
Stand on the right.
Rule 2. Look right.
Look right, mate.
Rule 3. The sacred queue.
There is a queue, actually.
Irisi Sev, what lap you Hervine?
The BBC says it will chuck it down.
5. Do not disturb the guard.
He only moves when you look away.
Rule 6. The magic roundabout.
It's a magic roundabout, innit?
Rule 7. The Marmite test.
Marbonade.
And finally, the London price tag.
That'll be £8.
The visual quality is insane, the character is perfectly consistent, and the emotional expressions actually look better than the original TikTok reference we started with. Once you nail a workflow like this, you can save it permanently. I told the agent, save this pipeline as a permanent skill, so next time I just give it a city name and it generates the video with my consistent watermelon character. It immediately saved it as the watermelon travel skill. Next time, I don't need a reference video or a complex prompt. I just select the skill, type in Paris or Tokyo, and it automatically generates the next full episode. This is how you actually scale an AI channel. You can use these custom skills to rapidly batch produce a consistent daily TikTok and YouTube short series, immediately clone a new trending aesthetic before the algorithm moves on, or efficiently deliver a high volume of uniform videos for freelance client projects. To show you how versatile this is for different niches, let's test their built-in product commercial skill. I uploaded a single image of an energy drink named AI Quest and typed, "I need a 10-second product commercial for this AI Quest energy drink with a hot woman." Without any long, complicated prompting, the agent brainstormed the media plan, selected the C-Dance 2.0 model, generated a neon city storyboard, and exported a stunning multi-shot product commercial in minutes. Check this out.
Fuel your quest. The future is now.
Besides using the built-in options, Flova gives you the freedom to build your own personal skills completely from scratch. If you go into the Skills tab and click the New Skill button, you can name your custom skill and map out an automated pipeline for any specific niche. All you have to do is provide the agent with clear instructions on asset management, processing, planning, and storyboard design. You don't even have to write this complex technical framework yourself. You can just have Claude generate your standard operating procedures and upload them directly as an MD file. You can even hard code exactly which AI models you want the agent to use for that specific workflow, giving you total flexibility to automate any unique production line you can dream of. AI production logic has genuinely reached a point where one solo creator can match a professional studio's output. While replacing an expensive AI stack with a single $19 Flova subscription is a brilliant financial move, the true value here is the long-term creative agility it unlocks. Having your entire creative team and editing suite in one unified workspace empowers you to consistently capitalize on new trends, build recurring content series effortlessly, and operate at the speed of the internet. If you want to test this workflow yourself, click the unique link in the description to register and instantly grab your 100 free credits plus 200 more for every new user you invite. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next AI workflow test. I'll see you in the next video.